All right. Right, that we go over audio effects. So in audio effects, you want to go to your window and make sure essential sound is enabled, and once you're here, you are going to see 4 different menus, being ambience, SFX, music, and dialogue. So once you're here, you want to select your audio. As you can see, I have something to play with myself, and you want to make sure you have your clip selected. And there is 2 major ones that you are going to be playing around with the most, and that is repair and clarity. So make sure your clip is, you clicked it, and then you want to click on reduce noise. What this will do, if you have a loud refrigerator, fan, static, it will help de-escalate the sound of that. So 50%, go down halfway instead of 60 FPS. So now it kind of isolated my voice, and you can increase it, or you can decrease it, and there you go. Now I deselected that, and I can hear the static again. So click the reduce noise, and then the other major one is the clarity. So clarity will make your sound more present. So we go over and enable dynamics, and let's do a before and after. And it's a fairly small one, so I'm just gonna drag that onto the timeline here, and voila, we play the clip, and there we go. Let's go ahead and edit this. So since my clip isn't at 60 frames per second, and remember, you can always adjust this bar here left to right depending on how strong you want the effect to be present. So now that we gone over that, we can play it with the audio. Alright, speed ramping and changing the speed of a clip, and playing around with these effects here will enable you to make your audio louder, so that your voice is stronger than the audio in the back, so you don't have to turn the audio down. And it's just those tools in Premiere that help you execute your vision better. So there was one more thing that we wanted to go over in the essential sound, and that was our SFX. So I'm going to just go ahead and grab a sound effect from my folder here, and the first one I found is some thunder. So this may be loud, so I'm gonna lower that. Make a sequence, but there we go. So our thunder is selected, we clicked it, but there is also my audio here, so I'm going to solo the track. So I'm actually going to bring it down here before I solo it. So now all we hear is the thunder. And now that I have it clicked, I selected my thing. I'll go to SFX and reverb. There's 4 different kinds of reverb here, and it will give a different effect, like whether the thunder's at a cathedral, it will have more reverb rather than a small studio. So all you do really is click the reverb, and then you can adjust the amount. So we'll play that, and there's not that much, so I can increase the reverb, and there we go. So that concludes the audio effects, and this will just increase the post-production quality of your videos, of your film. And if you learned something, then that's great. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.